Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Ruth and I do Operation Christmas Child shoebox unboxings with a few hauls thrown in here and there. Today I am doing a collaboration with Sharon with East Coast Stories, and we are both doing a girl 10 to 14 unboxing with a hairdresser theme. So right here at the top, I will just start you off with this really bendy folder that I like to put in to help the pages not get too bendy. I have here for her a how to draw a braid with just some papers that I printed off from Pinterest, showing her how to some different diagrams of how to cut hair, and this one is in Spanish, but I have some in English as well. I have known Sharon now for a couple of years and we have become good friends. And we had so much fun doing our last collaboration, which was a heart theme collaboration. So I will have that linked in the cards if you haven't seen our heart themed collaboration. And then I have some notebook paper here for her. If you have not checked out Sharon, her YouTube channel, she does great shoe boxes as well. Her themes are always done so well. Some of my favorite shoe boxes that she does are Spirit. She does like a horse themed shoe box. She also does a secret garden shoe box. Her themes are just beautiful and very well thought out. So if you haven't checked Sharon's channel out, I will have some of her videos linked down below as well as in the cards, and you will be able to also see her hairdressing shoebox. So here is, right at the top, I have a purse. I figured she could put this on when she's cutting hair. She may not have like a counter to keep things on, so she could just keep her scissors. I also added in this little notebook. I thought if she could keep a notebook in here, she could keep her appointments in her notebook and keep everything organized. She has some bobby pins. She has her scissors, hair cutting scissors in there. And then she has these little metal clips. These have great tension. So of course she would need those if she's sectioning off hair to cut. And that's it. That's what I put in her little purse here that she could wear while she's going around trying to find clients to cut their hair. So with this theme, the goal is to have her be able to learn how to cut hair. I know with everything going on with COVID, I have been cutting my kids' hair, so I know it's possible to learn. So I think this would be a great thing to help make them more sustainable. Now she has this hairspray bottle. It has like a scissor on it all the way around the bottle, so when she needs to wet the hair. And then inside there's more of these clips you can use to section hair off. These are Conair brand. She has hair ties. She has an extra battery in here for her flashlight. And then she's got some hair bows and scrunchies, just, little items that she would need for doing hair. I came up with the idea of this theme not too long ago. Growing up, my mom had a best friend, and her name was Diana. And my mom named me after her best friend. So growing up, I referred to her as Aunt Diane, just so that we wouldn't get our names confused. But I was named after her, and she was a hair beautician. So I have a lot of fond memories of going to visit my Aunt Diane, who I was named after, and we would go to her salon and she would cut all of our hair. So that's kind of where I picked up this theme, and I drew inspiration from the memories that I have going to visit my Aunt Diane. And then here is a hairdresser Barbie. Now I added in a couple of these dolls actually, just two, because I thought she could use the Barbies to practice cutting their hair. So this is a hairdresser Barbie with her little brush and and blow dryer. So of course she can play with it, but I just thought she could maybe use it as a example to cut hair. She has her school scissors in here. I'm not sure if I said it, but the calculator is solar powered. She has a toothbrush in here. She has extra change of clothes for her Barbie. There is a little slide whistle. She has 2 pair of underwear that are size 14. She has another bouncy ball. She has a fold-out ruler. I basically did a blue and pink theme for this hairdresser box. And then a little baseball cap to go with her Barbie, some cotton string, and a round facial scrubby. Now, one of the memories that I have with my Aunt Diane, whenever she would be cutting my hair in her salon, she always had open-toed pretty shoes on. So I wanted to give this girl some open-toed pretty shoes. But the shoes she wore, they always had a little bit of support in them. So I hope she likes these. These were on sale for $5. I believe these were normally $20. So they're just a nice little faux suede, just to make her feel fancy and to feel a little bit dressed up when she's cutting hair. Another thing to make her feel a little bit fancy, I included this beautiful little pouch inside. She has some hypoallergenic earrings, and I got this idea from Sharon with East Coast Stories, who I'm collaborating with. I also included some menstrual pads, and I guess you could say this is a little kit. This is her wet bag. Inside she has a laundry soap, and one of these little print-offs for how to wash her pads. I like this because it's so small, and also it shows how you can hang the pads up with rope and clothespins to dry them. Because I included clothesline rope and then a couple of clothespins along with 2 menstrual pads. So on the lid of this box, I will be asking that this go to a 13 or 14-year-old girl. Not just because of the pads, but also because of all the sharp scissors. She has her soap saver that I will put soap in. Now this is one of the items that Sharon and I have the same thing of. We bought the same exact flashlight from Walmart, and we bought our flashlights on the same day. So I thought that was kind of cool. And to go with her flashlight, she had 1 extra battery that I had taped both ends just to make sure she had 3 extra uses, including the one that's in her flashlight. So these have a 10-year guarantee, and these are President's Choice brand, which is a good brand, and these were normally $10, but they were 50% off at $5. So she should be able to use her flashlight for a while. And this takes up a lot of the room in her bin. This is technically a jewelry case. I found this at Dollarama for $2, but I thought she could use this for her clients when she needs to show them the back of their hair. She has a little compact mirror that she can use with her client, and they can each hold one of the mirrors to see the back. She just has some comfy little slip-on socks. A little compact mirror. This mirror is enclosed in this case, so it should be okay to send. Another thing that Sharon and I have the same of is this little bear. In our heart collaboration, we had matching IKEA bears, and in this box we have matching Amazon bears. So that's her little soft toy. She has a little party horn, cute little heart hair tie. She has a little hook that she can put on her wall to hold up her soap saver. And then some little pencil top erasers and sharpeners and a school eraser. And again, I gave her another little doll. She has a lot of hair, so she could practice cutting her hair. I also picked this one because she has a little hairstyle that I thought maybe she could try to copy it for some of her clients. And of course, she can always play with it too with her Barbie. She has a jump rope. I know Sharon and I both have a jump rope in our shoe boxes. She has this style brush, another toothbrush. She has a collapsible water bottle that has a filter inside. She has 2 of these Grace in Your Hair combs, and I just gave her 2 different styles for different types of hair. I just get these off of Amazon. She has colored pencils. She has this coloring book. I like this coloring book because this is actually a hairdressing coloring book with some little stickers, and there's a blow dryer. So the stickers or the pages are really cute. There's little bobby pins, count the bobby pins. So I thought this was a fitting little play pack coloring book to add in. She also has a little stationery set with envelopes, paper, and cards. She has a little pink sack with a nail file in it that says loved. There are some picture directions for her nail file and clipper. And she has this pretty rose gold nail clipper. And that's what's in her little sack. Couple of pencils. 2 more. This one is sparkly blue, and this one I thought was fitting because it says live your dream. She has this silicone baggie. Inside she just has a few more school supplies, her red, black, and blue ink pen, a pink permanent Sharpie, a couple more pencils. Sharon with East Coast Stories, she was telling me that where she's from, a lot of the girls or people will go around to people's houses and ask them if they want their hair done. So I'm hoping that this little girl will be able to do that eventually. And then I kept one of the scissors in the packaging so that she could see that it is for hair cutting. So she has a few hair cutting scissors. I found these a while back at Dollarama for $1.25, and these are Barbasol brand, so they're a good quality hair cutting scissor. And then a few more things in her bag, just some paper clips and safety pins, and then of course if she has some accidents, she has some alcohol pads here with some band-aids. Just for those little accidents that she may have. She has a little pretty blue notebook, and this is something that I just wanted to add in, hopefully to make her smile. It is a Canada tin with all these little animals, Canadian animals, smiling at her. Inside she has some pretty heart stickers, some washi tape, a couple little horse and hippo pencil toppers that are squishy. Just a sparkly washi tape. Another one of these loved nail files. An extra pencil sharpener. Pencil top erasers. This little notepad that says, "Girl, you can change the world." That's what it says on the little papers. I just picked this up from the Dollar Tree. Some more little colored pencils, and I just threw in some more alcohol pads for her. So that's her cute little Canada tin. She has her tote bag from Giant Tiger, nice size. And then here is her wow item. Sharon and I also bought the same hair cutting kit off of Amazon. This is a Japanese made hairstyling kit. And if I can find it, I will link it down below. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was just a little bit over $20. But again, I think this is an item that can really help a child and a family be able to draw an income. I haven't taken things out of the packaging because I want it to stay nice, but these are stainless steel. They are not supposed to rust. They have a little bit of weight to them. So, and they had good reviews on Amazon. And there's the other hair cutting scissor, the little brush, another comb, and a little cloth to clean her stainless steel scissors. I will not pay $20 for a toy, but I will pay that for something like a hairstyling kit where it can really help the family and her learn a skill. And then at the bottom, she has a cape to put on when their hair falls. And then at the bottom of her bin, she has a book that I ordered off of Amazon, How to Cut Your Hair at Home. And I like this book because it solely focuses on the tools that she has in her shoebox. So it's not like got the electronic ones inside. And I just put in some stickers. Again, it has more of the diagrams of how to cut men and women's hair. The shape. Talks about the combs. So yeah, that's my box for a girl 10 to 14 with a hairstyling, hairdresser theme. So I really hope that this girl can use this, and I'm already praying that this girl will really be able to learn how to use her hairstyling products as well as maybe her other family members. If you haven't checked out Sharon with East Coast Stories, her collaboration video with this, I will have that linked. I hope you go check her out because she does amazing shoe boxes. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.